Alright. Hopefully the amp's okay, it should be. Bogner. Right. Oh. Cord. Power supply. It's packed well, that's all that matters. Instruction book. Feels good. Feels good. Oh, fucking right. Don't watch this unboxing video with kids. But holy fucking hell, it's so fucking cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Let me turn this light up a bit. Oh, wow. Fancy, look how cute. He's so small. He's so small. Let's compare it to something. Tube Screamer. In comparison, you can see. You'll have to check into part 2 of this demo, but oh yeah, the knobs feel great. They feel easy, very smooth, very smooth. I'm so excited. This is the back effects loop here. Send return. Speaker 8 to 16 ohms. 24 volt DC 2 amp adapter. It's got good feet on it. Nice toe legs. Man, I've been a big fan of Bogner for a while, and I couldn't never afford it, but this is as close as I can get. And I'll do a demo of the sound potentially. It's the Variac switch. Switches sound good. Gain sounds good. Mid frequency, high or low, neutral, high. Pre-EQ, B1, neutral, B2. I'll have to read the manual a little bit, but yeah, this is it. It looks good. Thank you guys for watching.